Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to crochet the edge of the tulip garden stitch that we have done a couple of weeks ago. And I have crocheted the length that I wanted. So the last row, what I did is I crocheted 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 2 chain. And here what we're going to do is I did my double crochet and then I chained 2. So automatically, just like making these puff stitches, that's what we're going to do. So 2, 3, 4, and then go to the next 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Then I'm going to pull these all at once, just like this, as tight as I can. And I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to make a salmon knot. So I'm just going to pull it like this a little bit, and then make a single crochet and then pull it. Again, I'm going to make another one, just like this. I'm going to pull it and then make a single crochet. Okay, so from here we're going to go where we started. Just try to pull it and you can see the V. So between that I'm just going to make a single crochet. Okay, I'm going to repeat this three times. So we did 1, we have to go two more times. So I'm going to chain 2 to go up, and then I am going to make some knot. I think that's how you say it. Okay, and then I'm going to go between and then make a single crochet. Again, chain 2. I'm going to pull it like this, just a little bit, not too much, and then I'm going to repeat it. Try to have the length as the same as on the bottom, and then I'm going to go down here, and then I'm going to make a single crochet. So we done our second. This is how it looks like so far, just to give a different texture, different look. Okay, so again I'm going to chain 2 just like this, and then pull it and then make a single crochet, just like you're making a puff stitch. Again, 2 chain and then pull it on between, and then go back at where we started, and then make a single crochet. Okay, so far this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to do, it's like making a puff stitch, just like this, and I'm going to jump here. And this is how it looks like so far. So I'm going to make another one. Just try to have it as the same length. Pull it and make a single crochet like that on the edge. Just like this. This is how it looks like so far. So I'm going to repeat what we did here. So from here, just like this, I am jumping to the next 2 chain, and I'm going to make my puff stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hold it like this. Try to pull them all at once, and then make a single crochet just like this. And this is how it looks like so far. There's a little black thingy. Okay. It gives it like a picot, like a different look. I think it's turning out different, and so I'm going to repeat again. I'm going to pull my chain a little bit high. Then make a single. Oh, I forgot to do the 2 chain. Sorry. 2 chain. Go up and then pull it. Just like this. And then 2 chain again. Pull it. And then fold it. Go back where we started and make a single crochet. Again, 2 chain. Pull it. 2 chain. Pull it. And then go back where we started. And then make a single crochet. Again, pull it. So this is the, again, I forgot to make the 2 chain. Don't forget them, because it gives you that nice texture when you do the 2 chain. If you don't, 2 chain, I keep on forgetting. Well, this is a new edging that I've figured out, so this is something new to me, and I will get used to it, but I think it looks nice. It's something different. Two chain, pull it, and then go back and make a single crochet. Just like this. Again, pull it. Make a single crochet and jump to the next 2 chain here. Make a single crochet and I'm repeating. Pull it again. Single crochet. And then I'm jumping to the next 2 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull it all at once. Chain 2, pull it. Chain 2, pull it. Then go back. Chain 2. We do it I do it 3 times. You can make it up to 5, I guess. It shouldn't be any problem. Just like this. 2 chain, pull it, and then go back. 2 chain. My color has changed. 1, 2 chain, pull it. Pull it, and we're going to go to the next 2 chain. And this is all to it. So I just repeat what I do. And when you're doing the edges, you do the same thing. You skip one, and then you go to the next one. You skip one, and then you go to the next one. Okay, so I'm going to crochet just in case if you get confused or if you get lost. I will show you the turnaround. When I come all the way here, I will show you how to do this part. I don't think there's a written pattern for this. Again, if you ask me for a written pattern, it's just I just made it up. It's just a made up. You can, yeah. I just wanted to have the same, when you turn it like this, I just wanted to have it match the tulip stitch. When you turn it like this, these look like roots. Roots from the straw, from the tulip. Can be even a strawberry, yeah, if you play around with it with a white and with a pink, or with a green with a pink strawberry color. Okay, so I will continue to crochet and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so I'm almost at the end. I did one here and I did the salmon knot, so I'm jumping here, making a single crochet. If you notice, if it's loose, you could do one chain just to secure it. Then I'm making another one, and here I'm at the corner, so I'm going to play around with it. I will make 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I will go to the next one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will make this a corner here. It depends. 1, 2. Let's say you had this one here, so you can make this here. If it depends on which one comes first, right? If this comes here, then you will continue making this one on the next one, like 1, 2, 1, 2 here. So this time the puff stitch came, so you don't know what's going to come next. If this comes, you just put this single crochet and then you go to the next one and then you make the puff stitches. So this is all to it, and I think it's turning out pretty good. I wanted to do something different this time, and then I just continue. I did my 2 chain, I pull it up and I go between, do a single crochet, make my 2 chain, pull it, and then another single crochet, and I come back where the V is, and then I make a single crochet, chain 2, go up, again chain 2, go up, and I repeat this 3 times total. Again, if you want to make it more, you are welcome to, but I think for 3 is good enough. And then 1, 2, I'm making the last one just like this, chain 2, go up, pull it a little bit, try to have all the heights at 1. And again, if you want to secure, you can make 1 chain just to be on the safe side. And I pull, and then here what I do is I'm going to just use your judgment. I'm going to jump here, chain 1 just to secure it. If you don't have to chain 1, it depends on how you feel. And this is how you do the corner, and you just continue crocheting all the way to the end. So I just wanted to share this short tutorial on how to crochet the edge of this blanket, and I think it's turning out pretty good. I just wanted to match the tulip stitch, and let me show it this way. Oh, it's hard. Here. And this is how it looks like. It looks like it's something different. I just wanted to do something different. So again, I hope you liked the short tutorial on how to do the edging. You don't have to do it on this blanket. You can crochet it in any blanket you want if you like it. And gives you the nice end result. Let me just pull it a little bit. Yeah, again, I hope you liked this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting.